Apply a thin layer of gel to the target area. Then shave the hair with a razor. Clear away the shaved hair. Apply the gel evenly at a coin-thick layer. Cover the recipient's eyes with washcloths, then place the black goggles on. The operator must wear goggles as well. Select 808 755 1064 nanometers diode laser on the screen. Settings. Select the treatment area, area size, and skin tone according to the recipient's condition, then tap SHR. Pulse width, 40 milliseconds. Frequency, 2 to 5 Hz. Grid size, 3 square centimeters. Cooling level, 4. Use stamping techniques across the target area, ensuring full contact between the treatment head and skin. Wipe the treatment area.